Hey guys, thank you for watching. My name is Shauna if you don't know me already, and today I'm going to be doing a luxury haul plus some high street goodies that I picked up, as well as a fun Louis Vuitton unboxing. And if you're new here, hi, I'd love to have you back, so you can subscribe below. Let's get right into the video. So I guess I'll start off with the box that's right here. You guys, if you're following me on Instagram at the Trendy Thread, follow me there if you're not. I'll link it below. You saw a picture of me with this humongous Louis Vuitton bag, and everyone wanted to know what I got. So I actually went in there to fix my toiletry 26. The zipper pull had broken and I really wanted to fix it. It's in okay condition. It does have some tears on it, which I'm really upset about because the seller did not mention them, and I didn't want to have to go through the whole thing of sending it back because shipping costs money too. We don't want to have to send things back. So anyways, the zipper pull broke a couple months after I got it, and Louis Vuitton was kind enough to replace it free of charge, which I was so happy about because I was reading things online and I read that they do replace it for free, but some people were saying they weren't sure, so I was really happy about that. So actually, that's what this is in here. I'll just show you. They even gave me a dust bag. I was really happy with the service there. And if you guys are curious where I was in the Aventura Mall at the Louis Vuitton store. So this is my toiletry 26. I really do love this. I highly recommend it for anybody and everybody, especially if you're new to luxury items. So anyway, I'm not gonna keep on going about this, but see, it's a brand new zipper pull and the zipper works perfectly. Louis Vuitton zippers are just smooth like butter. So that's that. And then I have been on the hunt for something that would really get me back into wearing my Pochette Métis, because even though I love that bag, I just find that I don't reach for it that much. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's because I feel like the whole universe has it and I'm like over it. I don't know. So anyways, I saw a picture of something a couple months ago, and ever since then I've been on the hunt for the exact one. So let's just open this up and see what it is. So the beautiful packaging, and ta-da! It is this animal bandeau. It has a tiger detail with the red Louis Vuitton. I think it's like a trunk bottom. And guys, this thing is so cool. I never thought that I would wear or use one of these things like a Twilly or something, but ever since I have my Fendi one that I'm sure you guys have seen, I wore that on vacation. I wore it around my neck, I wore it on my hair, I wore it on my bag, I wore it any way possible. So I knew that after getting use out of that I was definitely gonna go ahead and pick this up. So it's so super cool. I will try to insert a picture of it on my Pochette Métis, but I mean, you can wear it like as a little head thing. I mean, of course, I would make it look better than this, but you can fold it up and wear it around your neck, or you could leave it like that. But it's just so, like, look at this. This is so cute. Let me see. I just feel like it just spices things up. So like this, or I wore my Fendi one where you couldn't see I tied it in the back, so it was kind of like a cool choker. Anyway, you guys get the idea, but I'm very happy to have this little guy, and I actually wore my Pochette Métis today and it felt good to wear it again. So I definitely think that it's worth it. I think this was at $180, and yeah, I think it is really beautiful. It's a fun way to spice things up. So that is my little Louis Vuitton unboxing. I'm sorry if I got you guys excited with that big, humongous box. I wish there was a Palm Springs Mini in there. If you guys know me, you know that I am dying for that. Or maybe a Palm Springs PM, but I really love the Mini. So no, it is not a Palm Springs Mini, maybe in the near future. Okay, so moving on, let's just stick to my luxury items. Moving on to my Saint Laurent, I purchased a card holder. I have been dying for something croc. And so I picked this little baby up. I hope you guys can see it good. I don't have, believe it or not, I don't have a little card holder like this. So I know that I needed one because sometimes my Gucci one that I have takes up too much room in my smaller bags, like my Chanel rectangular mini. So I knew that I needed to have something that's a little bit more compact and smaller. So why not try out the croc situation? I wish you guys can see. It's kind of like a shiny sort of, oh, there we go. You can kind of see. With the silver hardware, and it goes perfectly with a lot of my bags because most of my bags have silver hardware, and even if they don't have silver hardware, I don't care. I mix and match. So I've been really enjoying this. So far, no wear and tear. It's only been, I think, about a month now, maybe 3 weeks that I've been using it. And yeah, I'm really happy with this. I love it. So that's that. And next, a luxury purchase that I got. So I have been wanting these, and again, if you guys are following me on Instagram, you will already see these, but I still wanted to show them. I've been wanting these shoes for freaking ever. I have a pair in another color that I love, and then in another style that I love, and I just wear them to death. And if you don't know, I am a hairstylist. I'm pretty sure I mentioned that a couple times here on my channel. I'm always wearing black, and sometimes it just gets boring being like all black. So what a fun way to spice things up with these babies. These are the Gucci Princetown mules, and I don't know exactly what they're called. I just call them the bees because they have bees and stars, but how fun are these, you guys? I am so excited to have these. I wore them right away, right when I got them, and I couldn't be happier with this purchase. The leather is really beautiful. They do stretch and break in a little bit. If you are curious about sizing, it's so weird because so many people tell me that they had to size up, and I actually sized down. Well, I can be a 7.5, like with open toe shoes or heels or stuff like that. So I did purchase a 37.5, which is a 7.5, but so many people, I'm sorry, my real size is an 8 usually, like in sneakers or closed toe shoes. But a lot of people tell me that they had to size up a half a size or even a full size. So I do have really narrow feet. So I would definitely, if you are interested in any of the Gucci shoes in general or the Princetowns, I would definitely try them on in store. I do have the Brixton loafers, which have a much softer leather, and I purchased them in the 7.5s, and they were so small on me. Like even now to this day, they stretched, but they still sometimes hurt. So definitely check it out before you purchase. And these were purchased on mattressfashion.com. I love them. Yes, they were expensive, more expensive than the regular Princetowns, but in my opinion, I'll probably wear them every day of my life, so I'm all about that. So yeah, that's that, and that is it for my luxury purchases. Now I just wanted to share some goodies that I picked up at Zara as well. Why not? Might as well share with you guys. I got these while I was in Florida. These are some really cute, I guess, what is this, like alligator print or something. I don't know, they just look really expensive to me, and they fit really nicely. I got these in a 38, so see, that's a size 8. Zara usually tends to run small for me though. It really depends actually. I don't know. Anyway, I picked these up while I was on vacation. I thought they were really super cute and super comfy, so I like these, and I'm gonna try to link everything below for you guys. Also, if you follow me on Instagram, you will see that I wore these white pants. I love these. I have them in black. I forgot what YouTuber was doing a haul and she showed these and was wearing them with heels, and I was like, okay, I need you. They're like a really thick, like woven material, and they have pockets on the front. They come to like a tight end on the bottom. I'll insert the picture of me wearing them, and I will also try my best to link them below, but I have them in black and in white, and I just saw them in gray, and I should have picked them up because I freaking love them. I feel like they're great for like those like spring and summer nights. If it's too hot where you live, like the spring and summer nights, I think that they're perfect and cozy, and you can wear them with flip-flops, heels, pumps, sandals, anything that you want, and it just like the shoe changes up the situation. So yeah, that's that. And then another item is, this is gonna be so hard to show you guys, but this is a jumpsuit. I will also try to insert a picture. Zara is just like giving me life with the jumpsuits lately. I've been like all about them. I am a jumpsuit whore, everybody knows that by now. Yeah, so jumpsuit for the win, and has pocket details on the back. It's hard to show you guys, but what I'll do is I'll try to find it and link it down below, or post a picture of it with me wearing it, or both. And yeah, and then I just picked up these shoes at Lord & Taylor. I don't know, I was walking, I wasn't supposed to be shopping, and I saw these babies by Design Lab, and they were running a 30% off sale, and these were on sale on top of it, so I got these for like 30 bucks, and I really was looking for a white mule. If you guys have seen any white mule, whether it has like a little bit of a heel or not, please tell me about it, because I need that in my life. But I saw these and I thought they were super cute. They're really elongating to your leg and comfy and cute. And denim. Who doesn't love denim? Like, come on now. So that concludes my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh, actually, I just picked up a dress from Zara. Let me show it to you guys real quick. It's right over here. Let's do this really fast. I thought this was cute because I wear black always to work, and I think I can dress it up and dress it down. It has a white, it's like almost like a square neck. Is that a square neck? I don't know. And it is a tight, sort of like a mini dress, and it hugs your body so good. And the white strap detail with the square neck, yes, I love it. So, okay, that does conclude my luxury and my high street haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am going to try my best to get a video up ASAP. Things have been a little bit crazy in my life. We were away for 2 weeks, and then before we were away, we moved the day before, and then so we came back to a house filled with boxes. It's been nothing but crazy, so, but I will try to get on top of it. So yes, thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you soon, and check me out on Instagram if you're not. I'll link myself below at the trendy thread. Thank you guys. Bye.